What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's been quite some time. Sorry for being scarce. Some problems with my editing software, but we're back at it with another Ford Figo car service. What's extra today is we're replacing brake pads and some brake discs. Got some new babies. So yeah, I'm gonna time myself again so you guys can see it doesn't take that long to service the car yourself. So I'm just going to get the tools ready that I'm going to need. I'm going to show you guys what it is and then we'll get started. Let's go. Okay guys, so basically what you're going to need is a plug spanner. I think this is a 13, 17 for your some plug, wheel spanner, star screwdriver for the brakes, jack and some jack stands, and then a 5-litre empty can to throw your old oil in. So yeah, let's get the stopwatch out and let's get cracking. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start the stopwatch now. I'll time myself, I'll show you guys that I'm gonna start it, and then yeah, I'm gonna start off by jacking up the car just so I can get the wheels off, so I can get to the brakes and also start draining the oil. So yeah, without wasting time, let's start the swatch. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay guys, so as you just saw, just took off the wheel. Then you want to get yourself some pliers and take off the clip that sits there at the brake so you can access a brake caliper. And then at the back of the brake caliper over there is the one, and at the bottom there's another one. You're going to use the Allen key to loosen up your brake caliper and then take it off. But as you guys can see, my discs are, yeah, they are gone guys. So no wonder I had a bit of a shudder on my steering wheel. And these pads are pretty much done as well, so time for a replacing. Yes. Underneath there is a sun plug. Use your socket. There then. Let's see. Center up low. Spark plug 2, and then we're taking out your plug wires. Oh, ik zie iets niet goed nie. Ik vind iets wat niet baie goed is nie. Ik denk my Welsh plugs is good. Okay guys, so upon inspection, you'll see my spark plugs are a little bit up, so time to replace them. Always remember to check your spark plug gaps. Okay, plug back in those plugs. Yeah. In order. We made a bit of a mess, guys. But yeah, up next we are going to be taking off the oil filter over there and replacing it with a new one. Let's go.
So guys, you always want to inspect your oil as well, just to see if you don't see any metal shavings. I don't see any. Wheel's a bit dirty, but I'm about 3,000 Ks over my service, so let's get this one replaced. Hello baby. Brand new filter. Always want to make sure your new O-ring is nice and lubed up, so take some of the old oil, just rub it on your O-ring. Just make sure it doesn't stick. Nice, let's get it on. While we're down here, remember to put back your sun plug and then tighten down with the socket again. Number 15 socket, guys. No, I'm lying. 13, sorry, 13 socket. Make sure it's tight enough. There we go, it's not going anywhere. Next we gotta get done and dirty for the fuel filter. You guys know already this is a mission, so I'm gonna try to record it as best as I can. Okay guys, so another important thing is you wanna, after changing oil, take out your spark plug leads so that you can prime the new oil filter and petrol filter for fuel flow included. Otherwise you're gonna seize up your motors. Next thing, you want to take off the brake caliper, remove your little washers. All brakes are very skew. You guys, when you're doing your brakes, take off these two screws from the back there. Make sure you compress your caliper all the way in, so the piston's all the way back, and then you want to put on a 13mm onto that bolt there and that bolt there, so you can take off the brake brackets to get off your brake disc.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yeah. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal, you control it, the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
G'day everyone, what's up, welcome back to another video. I'm just repairing this car at this stage, but as you should when maintenance is required. Today I'm going to be doing the outer series Figo. So yeah, let's get straight into it. I don't have a lot of time, so I need to get this done ASAP. But thank you guys for joining. Thank you guys for supporting over the last couple of months. So I've been quiet, but let's get to it.
Just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap.
Okay guys, quick update on the CV joint replacement. I'm wearing slippers, excuse me. So yeah, basically This is the old one. It looks pretty rough. The center section is what's like getting, I would say, clogged up. And then this is the new one. Looks a little bit different. I'm adding all the grease now. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to have a 32 socket to take off your wheel nut. It comes through there. And then yeah, you're basically going to take out your as well as your rack-ends or tie rod ends. I'm not sure, you guys can correct me in the comments below. But yeah, I'm gonna get to adding the grease and try to assemble everything back together. The other side's nut is still stuck, so that's something we'll do tomorrow. Okay, so you need to make sure you put as much grease as possible in the new CV. I'm gonna I'm still gonna try to fill it a bit more before I put it back onto the other side, you guys. And then you want to make sure that you put your boot on nicely, clean up all the excess grease, and make sure your clamps are nice and tight, not too tight so it does cut the rubber, but just tight enough so it keeps all the grease in.
Memphis, man.